Empowering housekeepers. Earn more with ErrandWorks. Welcome back to ErrandWorks. Today, I'm excited to share the inspiring journey of Maria, a housekeeper who transformed her career and life by joining ErrandWorks. This story is not just about financial growth but also about empowerment, innovation, and community. The beginning of Maria's journey. Meet Maria, a dedicated housekeeper living in a bustling city. For years, Maria worked tirelessly for a modest income, struggling to make ends meet. She often dreamt of providing more for her family but felt stuck in her current situation. One day, while browsing online, she stumbled upon ErrandWorks, a platform offering housekeepers the chance to expand their services and increase their earnings. Intrigued, Maria decided to take a leap of faith and join. The need to earn more, deciding to expand her services. Upon joining ErrandWorks, Maria discovered a world of opportunities. The platform encouraged her to offer additional services like grocery shopping, organizing, home inspections, pet sitting, walkthroughs, meet and greet services, and waiting services. Initially hesitant, Maria decided to give it a try. Her first task was grocery shopping for a busy professional, which she completed with enthusiasm and attention to detail. The client was thrilled, leaving a glowing review. This success gave Maria the confidence to continue expanding her service offerings. Building clientele. Maria's dedication and personalized service quickly attracted more clients. She used ErrandWorks tools to manage her schedule and communicate effectively with her clients. Her reputation for reliability and friendliness spread through word of mouth and online testimonials. Maria's clientele grew steadily, and she found herself busier than ever. ErrandWorks' support and resources played a crucial role in her success, providing her with marketing tips and customer management tools. Growing her team. With her business booming, Maria faced a decision: turn down clients or expand her team. She chose the latter, recruiting fellow housekeepers who shared her passion and work ethic. Maria's leadership skills blossomed as she trained her team to deliver exceptional service. ErrandWorks facilitated this growth by offering a seamless platform for team management and client coordination. Training for success. Recognizing the need for a structured approach to training her growing team, Maria reached out to ErrandWorks for assistance. Together, they developed a comprehensive onboarding training program tailored to her team's needs. The program focused on essential skills such as customer service excellence, effective time management, and mastering the nuances of each additional service offered. ErrandWorks provided valuable resources and guidance, ensuring that the training was both thorough and engaging. Maria emphasized the importance of continuous learning, encouraging her team to participate actively and share their experiences and insights. With ErrandWorks support, Maria's team quickly adapted to the new training, excelling in their roles and consistently earning praise and generous tips from clients. The collaborative environment fostered by the training program helped build a strong sense of community and mutual support among team members, further enhancing their performance and satisfaction. Achieving financial growth. With diversified services and a motivated team, Maria's business flourished. She achieved financial milestones she once thought impossible, such as doubling her income within a year. Clients praised the convenience and quality of the services offered, often recommending Maria's team to friends and family. The financial stability allowed Maria to improve her family's quality of life and invest in her future. Her future aspirations. Maria's journey doesn't end here. She envisions further expansion, exploring new service offerings like virtual organizing consultations and eco-friendly cleaning options. She also plans to engage more with the community, organizing workshops for aspiring housekeepers. Maria's story is a testament to the power of entrepreneurship and the opportunities that platforms like ErrandWorks provide. To conclude, Maria's journey from a single housekeeper to a thriving business owner is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved with determination and the right support. Her story inspires other housekeepers to explore new possibilities and redefine their careers. I encourage you all to consider the opportunities that ErrandWorks offers and take the first step towards your own success story. Any questions? Do you want to learn how to earn more? We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. let's discuss how you can embark on a similar journey and unlock your potential with ErrandWorks.